Tell Auntie Rhonda milk. 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 Can you tell Auntie Rhonda hi? Say hi, Auntie Rhonda. Robert. Say hi, Auntie Rhonda. That's Auntie Sylvia. You're talking to Auntie Rhonda on my phone. Robert, can you say milk? Milk. Can you say seriously? Seriously? Robert. Cheese. Can you say seriously? Can you say seriously? 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 Can you say mama? Mama? Can you say daddy? Can you say William? Daddy? William! Say Ronnie? Can you say sis? Can you say cat? Dog? Ball? What about Elmo? Elmo. Elmo. Where's your head? Where's your eyes? Are we going on a mission to find Elmo? Is he in the library basket? What's up? Is it stuck? Is it stuck? Stuck. Help, please. Help, please. You want Mama to turn it on? Can you say help? Say help, please. Robert. Robert, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.